Everyone, welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video I'm going to solve a problem from polynomials of 10th class, and the question is, if 4 is a 0 of the cubic polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24, find its other two zeros. So let us write the polynomial once. F of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Okay, now let alpha, beta, gamma are the three zeros given. Alpha equals to 4, beta equals to question mark, and gamma equals to question mark. Right? We have to find these two. Otherwise, you can take, okay, let it be. So from this we have the zeros and the coefficients of the variable relationship we know, no? So from that, alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b by a, which is equals to, here b is minus 3. So minus of minus 3, a is 1, which is equals to plus 3. But alpha we know 4. 4 plus beta plus gamma equals to 3, which implies beta plus gamma equals to 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1. Therefore, beta plus gamma equals to minus 1. And gamma equals to minus 1 minus beta you will get. Right? Next we have another formula, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma equals to c by a, which is equals to, what is c here? Minus 10. So minus 10 by a is 1. So minus 10. So if you take these two, alpha is common. So alpha into beta plus gamma plus beta gamma equals to minus 10. So alpha is 4 and beta plus gamma is minus 1 plus beta gamma equals to minus 10. So beta plus gamma equals to, this is minus 4. If it goes the other side, it becomes plus 4. So minus 10 plus 4, minus 6. Right? But here gamma, what we got? Minus 1 minus beta. So beta plus of minus 1 minus beta equals to minus 6. This what you will get? Beta minus 1 minus beta equals to, beta minus beta. So not in this. We have another formula, that is alpha plus alpha beta gamma equals to minus d by a. Here alpha we know 4, beta will be beta, gamma what? Minus 1 minus beta equals to, what is the d here? 24. So minus 24 by 1 is minus 24. So beta into minus 1 minus beta is equals to minus 24 by 4, which is equals to minus beta square equals to minus 6. Both sides you multiply with minus, what you will get? Beta square plus beta equals to 6. So beta square plus beta minus 6 equals to 0. This, if you factorize the middle term splitting method, what you will get? Beta square plus 3 beta minus 2 beta minus 6 equals to 0. In this both you take beta common, so you will get beta plus 3, and in these two minus 2 common, so beta plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, beta minus 2 equals to 0, or beta plus 3 equals to 0. Beta equals to 2 or minus 3. So, if beta equals to 2, gamma will be minus 3. Or beta equals to minus 3, gamma will be 2. So, therefore, what are the roots we got here? 4, 2 and minus 3 are the zeros of given polynomial. Okay? Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.